I'm not taking a photo. I'm taking a video.
Oh.
Getting on the train.
6 for the 12:40 Advanced West Coast service to
Love a train in Europe. We gotta wait till we get out of it. There we go. There we go. Hey. I know, but then there's like sun. I'm like, ah. I love it. It's so good. So good. I want to take a picture of all of us. Okay, first of all, sorry, but I need to take a picture of this.
Compound.
It's my shirt tonight in the sink, and I wore it last night. And I wore it tomorrow.
So this is how you see. I came in with 2 suitcases.
It's drying in my
She came in
hotel.
with a carry-on, as we can see. They come in with them because it's about the highs and the lows, and you keep it black. A little pop of color.
Well, black. Yeah.
How many
Black
shirts
and white.
you
I
brought?
own black and white. That's it.
Well, how
And
many
you have to do
shirts
is
you
switch it
brought?
around.
Black t-shirt, white t-shirt, and 2 dress shirts.
That's a successful actor wardrobe.
Yes, girl.
We're en route to Comic-Con right now in Liverpool.
I'm just making sure my elbows are not ashy. So when they touch me, they're like, wow, she smells good and she's so soft.
A lot of people are gonna be touching your arms.
Yep,
Soft.
nice elbows. Woo!
Heading in.
Heading in
Comic-Con
where?
bus.
Comic-Con, what's up?
All right, guys, we're coming in to meet you. Come on in. Wait, what are these pictures? Oh my gosh, I love that photo. It's a great photo. Oh, hi. Yeah, nice to see you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, this is so cool. What is your name?
Lorraine.
Lorraine.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna sign my name.
Yes, yes, please.
Oh my god, I love this photo. You know. Yeah, what's that? No, you got my lipstick? Okay. I'm happy to meet you.
I just have been
Oh, thank you so much. I love the little prints too.
We can hug you.
That's beautiful. Thank you guys. It's very sweet. Thank you. Beautiful artist. Thank you guys so much.
We are so happy to meet you.
Oh my gosh. I'll open it later, but just know I do really want to see it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Thank you guys so much. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous.
Wow.
That is gorgeous. Thank you. We're going to do some photo ops now. So basically, we do like, they're not like selfies or like professional photos. Heading to the panel. It's me, Dasha, and T, and we're going to talk to a bunch of people who are here, answer some questions.
Hi.
All right, so we're getting ready to do a panel. This is Val.
Hi, big fan. I dressed the part. I don't know if you noticed.
Yes,
Show them your light.
Okay, well, this is, it's a little side
Look at her
project.
shoes. Look at her
Well,
outfit.
thanks.
She's giving it. She's
These are
giving
my
it.
girls. I'm so excited.
Dasha Polanco.
like the pilot that Genji Cohen wrote was so wonderful. These characters were so incredible. For me, I was just like, I had to be part of this.
Please show your appreciation for this incredible
That went really well. That was so fun. Oh, we're right here. Hey, Liverpool Comic-Con Day 2. Hi. Some old Day 2 photo ops. Let's do this. I think I'm doing one solo, then me and Taylor, and then me, T, and Josh. That looks so good.
I had to find a tattooist last night that was actually opened later in the evening.
That's beautiful.
My handwriting looks good. I know. Well, I said your writing would come out cool.
Oh, that's beautiful.
See?
Let me focus.